Hello, everyone. Welcome to Kenken AI World, your ultimate destination for discovering the latest AI tools and smart solutions to simplify your life. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to register and use Vbee, powerful text-to-speech conversion tool. With Vbee, you can create audio files from text with natural-sounding voices, perfect for videos, podcasts, or even learning projects. White right pointing backhand index. Don't forget to subscribe to Kenken AI World and turn on the notification bell to never miss any of our helpful tutorials and tips. Check out the pinned comment or the description box below for the registration link and more resources to get started with Vbee today. Vbee is a platform that allows you to convert text into natural-sounding English speech. Powered by advanced AI technology, Vbee offers a variety of voice options, including male, female, and even child voices. You can use this tool to create videos, advertising content, or language learning materials. To use Vbee, you first need to register for an account. Visit the official Vbee website using the link pinned in the description of this video. Once you're on the main interface of the website, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the Register button in the top right corner of the screen. Step 2. You can use accounts like Google, Facebook, Apple to log in quickly. Today I will guide you how to register an account with Gmail. First, enter your Gmail and then create a password. Remember to create a strong password to best secure your account. Fill in your personal information, such as your full name, email, and password. Don't forget to confirm your email and enter the verification code to activate your account after registration. Step 3. Once you've successfully registered, you can log into your account and start using Vbee. After entering the confirmation code sent to your Gmail, we will go to the main interface of Vbee. Next, you choose to agree to the terms of use of Vbee. Here we see the outstanding features of Vbee. Convert text to natural speech. Using advanced AI technology, Vbee creates natural, expressive, and lively voices suitable for many different contexts. Diverse regional accents. Supports many standard Northern, Central, and Southern Vietnamese accents to meet different user needs. Customizable speed and voice. Allows adjustment of reading speed, volume, and voice style to suit specific purposes. Easy integration. Quickly integrate into websites, applications, automated call centers, IVR, or other business systems. Optimized performance. Provides fast conversion with high-quality audio, saving time and enhancing user experience. Multi-industry applications. Effectively used in education, audiobooks, learning materials, business, call centers, customer service, media, videos, podcasts, and disability support. Multi-language support. In addition to Vietnamese, Vbee also supports many other languages, expanding the potential for application in the international market. Affordable prices and professional services. Offering competitive prices with a dedicated technical support team, ensuring customer satisfaction. With such outstanding features, Vbee is the optimal text-to-speech solution, accompanying individuals and businesses on the digital transformation journey. I have attached the registration link in the video description. To convert text-to-speech, follow these steps. To create text-to-speech or quality you have customizations about. Select text voice. Adjust speed. Can upload text files or links. Change audio format. Customize pause time. Change punctuation. Reading method. Audio quality. Or choose background music for audio. Next, you enter the script that needs to be converted into voice and press the text conversion button and wait a few seconds for AI to analyze and convert text into voice according to your initial customizations. You can listen again and download to use when you are satisfied with the audio quality. And here is the result.
History of the He and the Totoa. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a He famous for his speech and for boasting about his abilities. One day, the He met a Totoa. WHO was slow but determined. Laughing, the He said that the Totoa could
register and use Vbee. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.